Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use melatonin cream. To begin, ensure your skin is clean and dry. Take a small, pea-sized amount of cream, roughly 1/4 of a teaspoon. Gently massage it into areas with thin skin, such as your neck, wrists, or temples. Apply it approximately 30 minutes before you plan to go to sleep. Remember to avoid applying it to broken skin or near your eyes for safety. When starting with melatonin cream, it is wise to begin with a low dose, often 1 to 3 milligrams. Always check the specific product instructions, as formulations can vary. You can gradually adjust the amount you use based on how your body responds. For optimal benefits, try to incorporate it into your nightly routine, applying it consistently around the same time each evening. To maximize the effectiveness of melatonin cream, integrate it with good sleep hygiene practices. Create a calming bedtime routine, perhaps reading a book or taking a warm bath. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool, ideally between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Try to limit exposure to bright screens from phones or tablets for at least 1 hour before sleep, and avoid caffeine or large meals late in the evening. Before incorporating melatonin cream into your routine, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Be mindful of potential interactions with any other medications you are currently taking. If you experience any adverse reactions, such as skin irritation or unusual drowsiness, discontinue use immediately. This cream is generally not recommended for children or women who are pregnant or breastfeeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.